From gaming to smartwatches, our lives are full of technology, but what happens if it stops working? Verizon has you covered.
Tired of being the family tech expert every weekend? When your kids need their game system repaired or replaced because it's damaged or malfunctioning, or your parents need help setting up a new TV at home, Verizon Home Device Protect provides protection and support for virtually all your home tech in 2 residences under one plan. From smartwatches to VR headsets, if you can stream on it, game on it, connect on it, we cover it. Enjoy hassle-free repairs or replacements when covered breakdowns happen, even if you didn't buy the home tech from us or have the receipt. Get access to 24/7 tech support, in-home expert visits, and complete tech care. And for just $49 per eligible product, we'll even handle the installation of TVs and more. Plus, Verizon Home Internet customers enrolled in Verizon Home Device Protect get professional home tech installation for $0 per eligible product. Get Verizon Home Device Protect for just $25 a month plus taxes. Stop by your local store, visit verizon.com/home device protect, or call 800 Verizon to learn more.